Hi guys, so are you ready to draw with me today? So today I will be finishing off this parrot or macaw double bird drawing. So I'm going to draw a branch today and some leaves around. So let's get started. And if you are new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon to get a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And you can always connect with me through other social media or comment below. My Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. All that information is in the description box below for you. And let's get started on the drawing. So I will be drawing the branch and some leaves around these birds and finishing it off with color pencils. I will show you every step of the way, and all the other parts of this drawing I will put it at the I button up top as well as at the end of this video, so you can follow along with each video and draw the whole drawing if you like. So then I'll leave you to it, and hope you enjoy this drawing. So I'm just coloring the leaves now, and putting in so much color of green colors, different shades, and this is how it looks like. So I really hope you like it, and if you do like it, don't forget to hit that like button and leave a comment for me. And if you would like to buy products with this on, t-shirts, bedding material, and backpacks and books and things like that, check out my Redbubble shop link in the description box below to buy products. And now I put some next videos for you, as well as my logo. You can click on this face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So then I will see you next time. Bye.